Hey guys, welcome to the World's Strongest Engine competition. Here we go. One mystery narrow gauge engine. So let's start off with Thomas versus I gave him glasses versus mystery narrow gauge engine one. Guess who it is? Narrow gauge engine. It's Skarloey. So let's start off with it. Let's see who's gonna win, Thomas or Skarloey. Skarloey wins. Next off is Percy versus Duncan. Let's see who's gonna win, Percy or Duncan. Percy wins. Next is Hongmei versus Duke. Duke wins. Hongmei wins to the next round. Duke. Next off is James versus Luke. James wins. Duke is in the semifinals, so it's time for the semifinals with Skarloey versus Percy. Alright. Classic Percy. Alright, now it's a draw we're on. That was another run. Alright, now we're on draw again. Let's do the run for the third time again. Alright, now this is a draw again. Now let's put something to help. Let's see who can. What about this special coach in the middle of the track? That's gonna work. Actually, we have another draw, so let's try this time. Alright, now Percy and Skarloey. Skarloey wins. Who will face Skarloey in the finals? Duke or James? Or classic James? Duke wins. Now this is the final round. Skarloey versus Duke. Who's gonna win? I'm sure who will win, Skarloey or Duke. Skarloey wins. Thanks to Skarloey, the narrow gauge engines are finally beat the standard gauge engine. And they are the winners. So yeah, well folks, peace out and goodbye.